Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at AI Trader Pro. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Kazuki Cameo, priced at $790 to buy, or available to rent from $79 a month, with the 3-month option at $199 marked as a 16% saving. All right, the EA is currently on version 1.0. Scrolling into the concept, this uses a machine learning model called LightGBM integrated through ONNX, designed to analyze non-linear price movements and execute high probability entries automatically across multiple assets. Going through the key features, this supports 12 monitored symbols, 8 major forex pairs, gold, and 3 major cryptocurrencies, with the EA automatically detecting the chart symbol and loading the matching model. The developer states the models were trained on 4 full years of 1-minute data from 2022 to December 2025, covering trending, volatile, and flat market conditions. Moving into trade management, there is a 3-stage split take profit system using ATR based targets. All right, closing partial volume at each stage and letting the remainder run, with a feature specifically designed to handle clean partial closes even on micro lot accounts. There is also an advanced break-even function that moves the stop to entry once a set ATR distance is reached. All right, and a pullback filter that checks recent AI signal history before allowing a new entry, meant to avoid immediate re-entries after a position closes. Spread filtering scales automatically depending on whether the symbol is Forex, gold, or crypto. Okay, the dashboard displays live AI probabilities for buy, sell, and range conditions directly on the chart with a collapsible interface. The listing also mentions a companion model builder, the tool that lets users train their own custom models and swap them into the EA without needing to code. Under setup, this requires enabling algo trading and applying the EA to one of the 12 supported symbols, with M5 or M15 recommended. There is a clear note that this is strictly built for ECN, raw spread, or zero spread accounts, given how sensitive a scalping strategy like this is to spread cost. Okay, so now let us get into the back test that I ran myself. All right, this test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net profit of just over $3,630. Let us break down how it got there. Okay, this backtest covered XAUUSD on the H1 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality at 99%, okay, across 563 total trades. The win rate came in very high at just under 92%, but average losing trades ran roughly 8 times larger than the average winning trade. We can see here average profit was 28.82, average loss was 239.17. okay, so the difference is significantly much. All right, this lines up directly with the split take profit structure described on the listing, where small partial gains get locked in frequently, while occasional trades that go against the position absorb a larger loss on the remaining volume. All right. So if you also look at the trade history, you will see that there seems to be that you know partial close technique being implemented. We can see a buy trade here, but we had two closes, right? We can see here this was a buy trade, and we can see three different closes. This was a buy. You can see two closes. Okay. So now going back to the backtest information, the maximum drawdown reached just over 17% on an equity basis, but the balance drawdown was around 16%. The profit factor came in at 1.32, and the recovery factor matched at 1.32 as well. Given how much the average loss size outweighs the average win, this is a system where the size of these occasional larger losses matters just as much as the very high win rate. Okay, so I would recommend testing this across the other supported symbols yourself and paying close attention to how the break even and pullback filter settings affect that average lot size specifically. All right, let's just briefly look at the graph. The balance and equity curve looks pretty interesting. There were times of sharp drawdowns, but of course we saw that the equity drawdown reached 17.25%. So you can see it being displayed here, right? The times when the equity drops substantially below the balance, but overall it was a steady growth over time. There were sort of healthy pullbacks, but overall it was a steady growth over time. So who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based only on what we have observed so far, the very high win rate looks appealing. All right, win rate of close to 92%. It looks appealing, but the underlying loss size and losing trades is meaningfully larger than the average win, which is what understanding before use. As always, no expert advisor is universally suitable. Okay, so you should test across your intended symbols and pay attention to average win versus loss size before considering live use. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.